5 must-have tools for effortless content creation. Hey, it's Heather here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to dive in to 5 tools that I use to help me and my clients create content effortlessly. Let's go. Okay, so to get started, we're going to start with G University, and we all know it, but are we really using it to help us with our content creation? And that's Google. So just go to the Google search bar and let's type in, we're going to use the subject today is going to be, we're going to just type in RV travel. And we're going to use that as our subject today. So we're going to use Google and we're going to start there. So if I wanted to create a channel and have it be about RV travel, here are some ideas. And you want to talk to your audience's pain point. So you want to really kind of, really serve your audience to what are they looking for? What is something that they want to know more about? So here are some things, and some of these things I don't know what they are. What is the 222 rule for RV travel? So what is the 333 rule for RV travel? How much would it cost to travel in an RV? What is RV travels? So these are all great starters to start your channel. So these could be topics that you talk about. Maybe these are 4 different episodes that you could have. So that's step 1. So these are four options for you. Then the next one, and you may have heard of this, it's called Answer the Public. So, and all of these are free. They may or may not have paid versions for them. I basically don't pay for anything that I don't need to. So right now, Answer the Public, this is the free version. They do have a $9 a month, I believe, for one user. And I think you could pay for lifetime membership. It's $99. So that's not bad. So I'm going to type in here the same topic. I'm going to type in RV travels, or let's just do RV travel. And we're going to search. I think I have one search left for today because I've been in there playing along and only have one left. So I wanted to make sure I jumped in here and showed this to you today. So we're going to type in RV travel and it's searching. So it's telling me that it is searching RV travel. Just wait a minute, we're gathering your data. So it has 550 results. So if you are stuck and don't know what type of video to do, this will give you tons of ideas. Is RV travel trailer? I don't know what that means. Is traveling in RV safe? Is it safe to travel by RV right now? Can RVs travel on the Garden State Parkway? So all these different things that people are asking. So this is actually what people are typing into Google and asking. So these are great ways you can create videos on questions people are asking Google right now. So you're answering them before they actually have the opportunity to ask these questions. Okay, so this is part 1 of this tool. This is the free version. So here are the different subjects of the wheel. And you can get up to, tells you it's cost per click, $1.81 and whatnot. The search volume, all that type of thing. But you've got different sections of the wheel: are, can, how, what, when, where, which, who, why, and will, just to name a few. Then if you scroll down, you've got the pain points, the without, can, for, all these different things. So you want this information. What do you do with this? Should you write it down? Yes, you could export this if you were on a paid account. It's a premium feature. But okay, sorry about that. We're going to jump back in. So I did the same search term, RV travel, jumped over to answerthepublic.com. You've got your results. How are you going to save these results so you can actually use them when it comes to creating content? So what I do, I've installed this free Google extension called Fireshot. I click on Fireshot, choose selection, try to get as much of the page as possible so I know what my search term was, and then I will highlight and just go all the way down to get as much information as possible, highlight it all. You may or may not use it, but I always figure more is better, right? And this one has a lot of information. So we're just going to highlight it all. And we've got one more. Okay, now let's get back here. Nice. Okay. Beep. Okay. All right, we're just going to call that good. We're going to click OK. And now it's going to hop over. It's capturing all the information. And now it's going to actually, now it tells me, how do I want it? Yes, of course, it's going to ask you to upgrade and do, or actually, this is a free, this isn't even for screenshot. So don't pay attention to that. You can save it as an image or save as a PDF. I always save it as a PDF. Why not? You can also email it to yourself, copy to the clipboard, or print it. So I save it to a PDF, and I'm just going to put it in here, and I'm going to call it RV Travel Ask Public. And I always like to put a date. So today is the 14th. That way I know when I ran this search, and I'm just going to save it. And now I have a PDF. So actually I'll just open it to show you. So now I have a PDF of this, so I can search it and come up with ideas. I mean, clearly that would be enough for more than enough content, probably for the whole year. So that is, those are two of my favorite. Three, actually, you've got Google, vidIQ, or no, Google, Ask the Public, and Fireshot. So those are three of my 5 favorite tools. Now we're going to jump over, and I just kind of hinted what number 4 would be, is vidIQ. So since I already have a YouTube channel, it actually pulls up. This is a free account. Again, I don't pay anything extra for this, and it tells me information on my channel. I'm on the dashboard. I was actually playing in here today, and I noticed some really cool things that I didn't know were in here. For instance, here's an AI generator. You want to do a video on something? RV travel full time. How to start. It comes up with a title. It comes up with a description for your YouTube channel, keywords to use. It even does a video script. It even comes up with a voiceover and keywords. It actually gives you thumbnail ideas. So pretty darn cool. I thought that was pretty amazing. But even better, say keyword opportunities. So this is specific for my channel right now. This is what it came up with. Tells me the competition, whether it's high, medium, or low. Definitely this is a website that I would say is worth diving in and kind of finding out more about it. But say I want to do keyword opportunities on RV travel and find out what the competition is like. Just go ahead and type it in here. I think I have 2 credits remaining. Let's actually put it in. We'll put it in there and see what happens. Overall competition is low. It's 29.75. And there's 12,000 people searching that on a regular basis. Here are some related keywords. You can, so you could copy those. I also actually really like this one. Type in here. Oops. Do RV travel. This comes up with title suggestions for you. And you get 5 for free. The Untold Secrets of RV Travel Revealed. Escape the Ordinary, Journey into RV Travel Adventure. You can copy these titles, create a spreadsheet, and work off of those prompts and start creating those prompts. So let's go back to Ask the Public. Let's find one that we like. Is traveling in an RV safe? Let's actually use this for our next free tool, and I am going to show you the free version. I have upgraded to the Pro Premium version. We all know and like it, but this actually can take this one step further, and that's ChatGPT. GPT-4 is the paid version. GPT-3 is the free version. So I'm going to switch over to free. I'm going to tell it I need 5 short let's see, answer the following subject, following question with 5 short and descriptive examples. Is RV travel safe in 2023? In 2023. So I typed that in. And so a lot of people may be asking, well, is AI going to replace us copywriters in the future? And the answer is no, because basically what it does is it helps you, if you run out of ideas, it helps actually get your creative juices flowing or make your writing better. And it doesn't take into account your tone of voice. So it just kind of gives you an idea. So now COVID-19 precautions, regular maintenance, route planning. So these are 5 areas that you could start talking about. And then you could even go further and say, great, so I have set up my ChatGPT for my specific audience. One moment, please. So before I ask it the next question, I just want to review that I have set up ChatGPT for some custom instructions, so it knows who I am, what I do, what tone of voice I like, and to be short and sweet, not a lot of extra fluff. My name is Heather, and that I do like opinions and answers. So that's just something to keep in mind, that when I ask questions, it knows that information unless I turn that off. So now it gave me the 5 answers to the question, if it's safe to travel in an RV in 2023. It gave me 5 short descriptive answers. And now I'm going to ask it to create a script for me to use on YouTube. Great, let's create an outline for a YouTube video on the subject. And it pretty much tells me gives me the points, these are bullets. This is not a script, so you can have it create a script, but if you're good at memorizing it, that's great. If you're better with bullets, then go with that. So you could start there. I'm going to stop sharing and jump back over here. So I hope you found that information helpful, of 5 tools that you may not thought of when it comes to creating content for your topic, your social media channels, whatever platform that may be. You can turn that YouTube script into content for Instagram, TikTok, whatever the case may be. ChatGPT and all those tools can help you provide valuable information to your audience. If you liked this video or found it inspiring, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Let's create something amazing together. Have a good one.